application filed on it. I do not know what is his charge for, but as an implementer of the law, he has to be guided by the IRR. He's not a lawyer. The one who should be made responsible are those people who made that IRR.
Sir, the one who made the IRR was Secretary De Lima
So
as
what?
DOJ
So what?
Secretary.
Even if she's Secretary De Lima or Secretary what not?
So sila yung
They should
liable.
have known better that it's elementary that nothing can change the law unless Congress acts to change it. And they changed the law. They have no right to do that. Illegal action done by people who handle the implementation of the law.